smile just when I turned off the camera, didn't ya? Didn't ya? What? Can I see a smile? Can I see a smile? Can I see a smile? Hey, that's a smile. Oh, is my big head covering it? Can I see a smile again? Can I see a smile again? Can I see a smile? Woo! Who's a big girl? You're huge. You're packing some heat. Let's put it more on you. Yeah. There we go. Hi. Hi. Getting tired, pants? Can I get some coos? Oh. There you go. What else? What else do you want to say? Look at the baby in there. Can you see her? Can you see yourself? Oh. Hi. What else? I'm going to tell that baby you're going to beat it up. Happy baby. Say hi. You gonna tell me something? Hi. Ah, yay, I like that smile. I love that. Oh, can I get one more talking? Can I get some more talking? Oh. I'm gonna get your feet. I'm gonna get your feet. I got your feet. I got your feet. Ah. Oh. She's. What? You really just like looking at yourself, don't you? That's you on there. I should turn on some music and you can dance. You like to dance. Can I see your feet? I got your feet. I got them. Oh. Oh. Nice. You go then? Okay. Well, little bumps. Should we sign off? Checked out the mullet. Yeah, check out that hair. It's kind of like a mohawk. The mullet. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Never thought I'd have a daughter with a child negligence mullet. Okay. She's getting tired, so we're going to sign out. Say bye-bye. Can you talk? Can you say bye? Can you say something? Can you say bye-bye? I know you want to say something, I can tell. Either that or you want to poop. Oh, okay. That's good. Bye-bye.